Hey there, my name's Amethyst with WTI, and if you are someone who wears makeup, then you gotta try these out. These are the Makeup Eraser, the original brand, 7-day pack of the Cool Blue makeup erasers. I love these things so much. I use them on an almost daily basis. I love that they have this handle in the back right here, so it's really easy to use this. These ones are intended for kind of like a single use and then you wash them. So they are reusable up to 3 to 5 years if you take good care of them, which is crazy because that's so good for the environment in opposed to something like a makeup remover wipe. And what I really like too is these are super gentle on the skin. This is one of the softest fabrics I've ever seen or felt and I love that it's very gentle on the skin. As someone who has tried makeup remover wipes and they just really irritate my skin, this is something that's a great alternative to those. And again, they're reusable, so they're great for the environment, they're great for your skin, and they work really well. These can even remove my waterproof makeup and mascara. So yeah, these things are great. I highly recommend them for all those reasons I just stated. If you've never tried these out before, trust me, you're missing out. So try out your own makeup eraser, and that is my point of view.